Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Market, the educational channel about cryptocurrencies. In this video, I want to show you in a very practical way what Chainlink is and why it is so important in the cryptocurrency and decentralized finance ecosystem. To understand how Chainlink works, we first need to talk about oracles. An oracle is a software or application protocol interface, better known as API. This software provides external information to a blockchain. This information ranges from real-time prices of some asset to the weather in a specific city. The oracle is the layer that consults, verifies, and authenticates this external data. This information is what allows smart contracts to work correctly.
A smart contract is basically a program that is stored in the blockchain, and through code the specific parameters are given so that they can be executed autonomously.
The problem is that such sensitive information cannot be handled by a single oracle, because that would allow corruption and manipulation of the information. This is where Chainlink comes in. It is defined as a decentralized oracle network. Basically, what it does is obtain the information outside the blockchain, process it, verify it, and send it to the oracles of the other chains. Chainlink's role is to allow smart contracts on different networks to connect to the information they need so they can function properly. Unlike a centralized oracle, Chainlink's oracle system verifies data on many nodes at once. Even if one or more nodes are corrupt, the network will correct itself as long as a majority of honest nodes exist. And this is very important because if an oracle or its data is compromised, the smart contract is automatically affected, and that can easily mean the loss of millions of dollars. That is why the role that Chainlink plays in the ecosystem is so important. Let's look at some examples where Chainlink technology is applied. Market and data feeds. Decentralized finance applications such as exchanges use smart contracts to execute operations such as trading, swaps, bridges, among many others. Those contracts need to be fed with accurate prices in real time. Exchanges can use sources like Binance, Huobi, OKX, and CoinGecko. Here, Chainlink uses this information to aggregate various price sources by verifying them in real time. Verifiable source of randomness for smart contracts. Randomness is essential for many blockchain applications because it allows the results to be unpredictable. This can be applied, for example, in video games, allowing the generation of maps, or creating rich experiences with totally unpredictable scenarios and environments, or to determine the results in battle games. There are many applications that can be implemented to make randomness more exciting. It also allows truly rare collectible NFTs to be created. It is also used for token distribution through airdrops and to select winners in sweepstakes or event tickets. Chainlink ensures that all these random results are transparent, unbiased, secure, and shields them from manipulation. Proof of reserve. Chainlink provides on-chain data that allows smart contracts to perform audits on tokenized assets, both on and off the blockchain. For example, stablecoins, wrapped assets, financial products, or commodities such as gold and silver. With Chainlink, users have more transparency, real-time updates, and stronger guarantees on the accuracy of asset reserves. External adapters. Additionally, Chainlink provides the tools for smart contract developers to connect in a very secure way to most data providers outside of blockchains. Cross-chain interoperability protocol. Chainlink launched this interoperability protocol that allows tokens to be transferred securely across different blockchains, and also allows you to send messages and create cross-chain applications. Additionally, it eliminates the need for developers to write custom code for specific chain integrations, while users can interact with any blockchain through a single interface. Chainlink ensures that decentralized Oracle networks are capable of offering advantages that blockchains alone cannot, by facilitating hybrid smart contracts that combine the best parts of ecosystems on and off the blockchain. Since its launch in 2017, Chainlink has demonstrated its potential in solving the Oracle problem and has become one of the most trusted projects in the ecosystem. Chainlink is known as the backbone of decentralized finance for its important role in providing very accurate information. In this image, you can see the large number of categories in which Chainlink technology can be applied. And these are some of the projects and companies that are currently using or supporting Chainlink. Chainlink was launched in 2017. Its co-founder is Sergey Nazarov. He is very active on social networks and forums around the world. Something very interesting is that the project defines itself as a global community of developers, academics, and business experts in cryptography, decentralized systems, and smart contracts. On the website, they constantly have open calls to join and be part of the team, and practically all jobs are remote. The Chainlink token was created on the Ethereum network, but can be used on networks such as Arbitrum, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, and Avalanche. At its launch in 2017, the token cost 18 cents, and in 2021 it reached its all-time high, touching almost $52. Those who bought Chainlink from its beginning and remained firm in that rise, they reached almost 29,000% profit. By simplifying the way smart contracts receive external data, Chainlink is accelerating the development of more advanced smart contracts. This is very important because the more data that is available on the chains, the more innovative applications can be built. This data cycle will continue to grow in size and demand, reaching numerous multi-billion-dollar industries. The Chainlink token can be stored 100% securely in any of the Trezor wallets. It can also be stored in wallets such as MetaMask and Trust Wallet. Well, that's all for this video. I tried to make the video very clear. Thanks so much for the support, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos.